Hey, welcome back. Karen here with Vegan Gluten-Free Life. Today's recipe video is Jackfruit Ragu. What is ragu, you ask? In Italian cooking, it is a sauce made with meat, onions, tomato, and red wine. Well, I modernized it, making it vegan and gluten-free. Let's gather our ingredients. First, of course, we start off with shredded jackfruit, onions, canned, whole, or chopped tomatoes, red wine or balsamic vinegar, celery, carrots, tomato paste, garlic, oregano, and basil, rosemary, bay leaf, salt, and pepper to taste. Now you're going to want to grab your Instant Pot or slow cooker. Today I'm using my Instant Pot. Place it on the saute setting, add in 1 tablespoon of water or oil. Watch out, it can get pretty hot. Add in your onion. Cook it for a few minutes. Once the onions are slightly browned, add in your garlic, your carrots, your celery. Saute for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll add our meat substitute, the shredded jackfruit, and the rest of the yummy ingredients. Stir everything together. Set your Instant Pot to the manual setting for 30 minutes. Place the lid on your Instant Pot, turn, and make sure it's locked. And confirm that your dial is on seal. Once your 30 minutes is up, allow the pressure to release on its own. Once it's done, give it a good stir and enjoy this amazing jackfruit ragu. Thanks so much for watching. Go to veganglutenfreelife.com for the full recipe and so much more. Comment, share, and let me know how you made it your own. We'll see you soon. Bye.